Okay. We had found the vector Px, and then we find the equation. Equation of plane is n dot Px equal to 0. N dot Px equal to 0. Yes, Ashar. Yes.
सर ये जो आपने क्वेश्चन उतारा है ना,
हाँ
लाइन नंबर 1,
हाँ
x इज इक्वल टू 2t+7, ये
हाँ।
2t+1 है बुक में क्वेश्चन, जब भी हमारे पॉइंट सेम नहीं आ रहे।
अच्छा अच्छा, चले अब तो वो हो गया ना, अब तो खत्म हो गया, अब
जी
दोबारा
चले।
तो हम पॉइंट फाइंड नहीं करेंगे।
नहीं।
अब तो क्वेश्चन खत्म पे है। ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सो ये भाई जो डिफरेंट आ रहा था उसकी वजह इन्होंने बताई अशर ने कि ये x इज इक्वल टू 2t+1 है। ये जो हमने x इज इक्वल टू 2t+7 लिया है, ये x इज इक्वल टू 2t+1 है, ये अशर ने पॉइंट आउट किया है। इस वजह से हमारा थर्ड जो है z कोऑर्डिनेट सही नहीं आ रहा था। तो बहरहाल अब वो जो हो गया सो हो गया, तो आप सही करेंगे तो आप सही आएगा। अब तो हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। हमने एक पॉइंट फर्स्ट कर लिया था, सपोज कर लिया था कि ये आ गया था -17 -34 -45 वट एवर इट इज। उसको करेक्शन करने के बाद हो सकता है थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट हो जाए, लेकिन सबसे पहले हमने पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालना है। उसके बाद हमने एक एक्स ले लेना है, पॉइंट ऑन द प्लेन एक्स वाई जेड इज अ पॉइंट ऑन द प्लेन। देन वी हैव टू फाइंड पी एक्स एज यूजुअल, और एन डॉट पी एक्स ले लेना है। एन कैसे हमने फाइंड आउट किया, एक इक्वेशन से v1 फाइंड आउट किया, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन से v1 फाइंड आउट किया, दैट इज 2i प्लस 3j प्लस 4k, और दूसरी इक्वेशन से हमने v2 फाइंड आउट किया, दैट वाज i प्लस 2j माइनस 4k। उन दोनों का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लिया, सो वो हमारे पास n आ गया नॉर्मल वेक्टर। और अब ये px हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया। अब n डॉट पी एक्स इक्वल टू 0 करके हम इक्वेशन बना लेंगे, n डॉट पी एक्स इक्वल टू 0, ये हम इक्वेशन बना लेंगे। सो n है हमारे पास -20i -20i प्लस 12j एंड प्लस k डॉट px। px हमारे पास x प्लस 17i प्लस y प्लस 34j प्लस z प्लस 45k इक्वल टू 0। ये z प्लस 45, ये this is z plus 45k, just remember This is Z plus 45K. Z plus 45 bracket and into K. Z plus 45K. Now we'll take the dot product. It will become minus 20 in X and minus 20 into 17 minus 140. Then J is multiplied with J. 12 into Y, 12Y, and 12 into 34 will be 12 4s are 48, 12 3s are 36, and 4 40, 408, and then 1 into Z plus 45. It will be Z plus 45 whole equal to 0. Hmm. 17 into 20. Yes, 340. Sorry. Good. So this is 340 minus 20x minus 340 plus 12y plus 408 plus z plus 45 equal to 0. Simplify this one. Minus 20x plus 12y minus 20x plus 12y and plus z. Plus z. I'm writing here. यहां लिख रहा हूं भाई, इसके बाद जो है minus 20x minus plus 12y minus 20x plus 12y और plus z. और इन सबको ऐड करें. 408 minus 340, so 50, 60, 68 and plus 45, so 113 equal to minus 113 or plus 113 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the plane. Minus 20x plus 113 equal to 0. Minus 20x plus 20y plus z plus 113 equal to 0. Sayyid Muhammad Azhar. So this is the required equation of the plane. We found when the two lines are intersecting. So find the equation of a plane which is passing through these two lines. Find the equation of a plane which is passing through these two lines. So first we found the point of intersection of these two lines. Then we found how to find the point of intersection. We suppose that XYZ is the point of intersection and X in the first equation, first line, equation of the first line, that was 2t plus 7, 3t plus 2, 4t plus 3. And from the other equation that was different. So both are equal. So then we found making the two equations in S, T and S, and we found the value of T and S by solving them simultaneously. Then these values will be substituted in the XYZ which we suppose For t, we will substitute it the value of t. We got the coordinates of the point of intersection x, y, z, and that were minus 17, minus 34, minus 45. Then we took another point x on the plane, so we found px. Px is the x plus 17i, y plus 34j, and z plus 45k. This is the vector on the plane. Now we found the normal vector. So first we find v1 from the first line. That is the vector parallel to the line. Then v2, vector parallel to the second line. We took the cross product to find the normal. So n is equal to v1 cross v2. Then we found the normal minus 20i plus 12j plus k. So this is n and this is px, which we already found. This is px. This is px. This is px and that was n. And we took the dot product and dot px equal to 0 to get the equation. To get the equation of the plane. In this way, there are the other question 28, 29, 30. The same question, the two lines are given in all the cases. Find a plane through, question number 21. Find the plane through the point P0, 2, 1, minus 1 and perpendicular to the line of intersection of the planes. The two planes are given. We will find the line of intersection. When the two planes will intersect, we will get a line. When the two lines are intersect, we will get a point. When the two lines intersect, we will get a point. And when the two planes intersect, we will get a line. So how to find the line when the two planes intersect? How to find the line when the two planes intersect? So first of all, we'll find the normal vectors to both the planes n1 and n2. This is question number 31. Find the plane through P0, 1, minus 1 and the perpendicular to the lines of intersection of the plane. Question number 31. Find a plane. We have to find the equation of the plane. Find a plane means the equation of the plane, which is passing through the point P0, 2, 1, minus 1. This is P0, 2, 1, minus 1. We will find the equation of plane which is passing through the point P0, 2, 1, minus 1. This is question number 31. And the point of intersection and the line of intersection of the plane. There are two planes, P1 the equation of the plane P1 is 2x plus y minus z. Two x plus y minus z is equal to 3. And plane P2 x plus 2y plus z is equal to 2. We will find the equation, find a plane through these 2 points and perpendicular to the line of intersection of these 2 planes. So first of all, we'll find the normal vector to P1. The normal vector N1 will be equal to 2i plus j minus k. This is the normal vector N1. Then we find N2. Normal vector of plane P2 will be I plus 2j plus k. These are the two normal vectors to the plane. We will find the intersection of these 2 planes, these 2 lines, and that will be the vector V, N1 cross N2. N1 and N2 are perpendicular to these vectors, these planes. N1 and N2 are perpendicular vector, normal vector to these planes. When we take the cross product, the vector we found will be parallel to these planes because that will be normal to N1. When any vector normal to N1, it will be perpendicular to it will be parallel to the plane. 61556. Okay. So we'll take the cross product. N1 2 1 minus 1 N2 1 2 1. Muhammad Basir Qureshi 63857. So, and this will be I 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2, it will be plus 2. Then minus j, leave this column, this row, 2 into 1 will be 2, minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1, minus plus 1, plus k, leave this column, this row, 2 into 2 will be 4, minus 1 into 1 will be 1. It will become 3i minus 3j and plus 3k. it will be the vector parallel to these two planes. This is the vector V parallel to these planes. And what we have to find the equation of a plane through the given point and perpendicular to the line to intersection of the planes. So we will find this is the vector parallel to the plane. So this is the equation. This is the vector parallel to the plane. So first of all, we will find the equation, intersection of the plane. We will find the equation of the line. When the two planes intersect, they will intersect. We will find a line. A line is determined when the two planes are intersect. As well as when a line and a plane intersect, we can find a point. There will be a point if the two lines are intersecting or a plane and a line are intersecting. When a line and a plane are intersecting, there will be a point. They will intersect at a point. In the same way, when the two lines are intersecting, we will find a point. They will intersect, the two lines will intersect at a point. But when the two planes are intersecting, a line is determined. A line is determined at the intersection of the two planes. So the line will be parallel to this vector. The line will be parallel to this vector. And we will find the point of intersection. How to find the point of intersection? We will use x, y, z. Any one of the three coordinates, one of them will be taken as 0. Any one of the three coordinates, x, y, or z, we will take z or x or y equal to 0. And then we will find the remaining two x and y. Suppose we take x, z is equal to 0. We take z is equal to 0. So if we take z is equal to 0, so the point of intersection, if we put the point z is equal to 0, let z is equal to 0. Substituting in plane 1, in P1, we will get 2x plus y is equal to 3. This is equation 1. In the same way, substituting in P2,